Alright, so we got more fabrication than we expected on this side. Putting the buyer's toolbox, this part sticks out too far, so we're gonna have to fabricate to make that work.
And a 30-inch piece. 30-inch piece.
It came with an L bracket, but like I said, the part by the frame is sticking out, so we're just gonna have to fabricate it. We'll use one L bracket, but the other one we're gonna have to move. As you can see, those parts sticking out. It's not flush. So
4-inch piece. Move that one.
there's always more work than what you expect. All these things is custom. Ran out of memory. Wife's bringing the SD card. Hey guys.
Look, we got this thing.
Oh, thank you, buddy.
Thank you.
What you guys doing?
Tell Dad, where'd we go?
Where'd you go?
We're going back home. We went to Dairy Queen.
Oh, you went to Dairy Queen?
Yeah.
We'll
Oh,
have ice cream
We have ice cream.
after we
okay.
went for a walk.
We went to walk.
I see. All right. We'll see you guys. It'll be a while.
Okay.
I thought it'd only take a couple hours.
Yeah, it's all custom. We had to fabricate everything. Okay.
Okay.
Bye, guys. So I just got done cleaning the burrs off, and now brother's gonna weld them together. So we are gonna get all this pre-fitted, and then later on I'm gonna take it all out and take the piece part that isn't painted up to here in town to get it powder coated. So yeah, we're not gonna paint it. We'll get it powder coated.
6.1.
Okay, make sure. Holy cow, that is all custom, dude.
Barely gonna clear this part, but that's good right there. Cleared it.
That's where it's gonna be. Like,
yeah.
man, look at that. Oh, it sits right there.
Yeah.
And then this will overhang, right, a little bit.
Yeah, it'll hang out a little bit that way. So I'm wondering if I should go this way or go
Yeah.
this way. Because you go this way, you have more.
Right. Yeah.
Or should I?
Yeah, I'd go that way if you can do that.
Yeah, I can go that way.
Yeah, even if you
There.
come, and then just make this longer, can't you? Yeah.
You got clearance. Yeah, it'll stick out about that far. So you'll have clearance about an inch from
Box,
that
yeah.
bolt.
All right, we are getting there. All right, so we got put the new brackets on. We're just pre-fitting everything here.
Box.
As long as it's oh geez,
Look how far that's
how
sticking
far
out.
that side stick out. Holy cow, that's it, dude. We gotta, yeah. one right on the fender.
Huh? Why is that one so close? I have to move it all the way over?
Yeah, this has to be like flush with that. Let's get an inch or something.
Just cut like a corner off right there.
Oh, so the angle's in.
Oh, right there's good, right there.
Good. And then cut that. How hard you gotta cut that? You gotta move that out a little bit more. Even it's close, yeah.
So we need to put a hole right there.
Then you gotta cut that guy in the bottom.
Yeah, we gotta cut that off.
Alright, so we got this on. It's just pre-fitted, so we're gonna take everything out, and so that we can get it to powder coat. So we're good now.
I don't know which one's which.
Okay, which way is this one? This? They only fit on one. It's probably not going to be all the same, right? On each side. So we'll just have to figure it out when they get it done. What goes where.
You'll be able to tell when you put it on.
So we just got done disassembling the whole bracket. And there it is. It is going to go in and get powder coated. So until then, we can't do much. But I'm glad we got everything fitted and ready to go. So I'm happy with it. That's it, guys. After this, I'm head home and we'll shower.